My friend asked me today, is it really possible to charge 2,000 pesos per hour or $40 per hour if you're working from home or while you're traveling? And I said, yes, that's exactly what I am charging. But that was not the case in my early freelancing days. I was only charging $5 per hour, that is 250 pesos. And there was even one point in time where I was charging 250 pesos for 8 hours of work. Imagine if our minimum wage is 350 to 400 pesos, I was charging half that. And it even came to a point where I was only eating mungo beans and eggs for days and days and days and days. There was also one time where my landlady just kept knocking every day for the entire week because I was 3 months delayed in rent. I cannot buy my food. I cannot even show myself to the landlady because I know I'm in debt. And that's just because, one, I was not charging properly. I did not know how to price myself. And two, I did not have the highly in-demand skills that I needed. So my clients would see me as a valuable asset in their business. So I had a hard time with changing my mindset. It took me months. I felt like I was not good enough. Like, why would I charge 2,000 pesos per hour? Like, who would want a freelancer that's charging $40 per hour? Like, who would want that? Nobody would want to pay me for it. Who am I? Like, am I that good of a designer? Am I that good of a virtual assistant that I could charge $40 per hour? Took me months. I swear it took me months to even get to a point where I accepted that, hey, okay, I really am good at this. And I really am confident with my skills. And my skills are highly in demand, that they are very valuable to my clients' businesses. And I can help my clients' businesses skyrocket. After 6 months of trial and error, battling with myself, actually being angry about myself, thinking that I'm not good enough, I'm not really good at this, I don't have skills, I feel worthless. After 6 months of doing the same thing over and over, one day I just decided to take action. I said, F it. I will charge high, I will acquire more skills, I will take actions because this is what I want to do. And if you are currently thinking that acquiring highly in-demand skills is hard, newsflash, I did not graduate for that. I did not graduate in graphic design. In fact, I was an education graduate. I am a licensed teacher. I taught for an entire year. I taught toddlers, I taught 5-year-olds, 4-year-olds, 3-year-olds. And yet I am here right now working at home in my mini studio apartment. And I did it. Yay! Now I'm charging $40 per hour, $40 to $50 per hour. And I also have per project rates. So I started from $5 to $10, $20, $30, $35, $40, $5 increments until I was able to get to where I am now. And so, if a normal person like me who doesn't have superpowers can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it too. So, I would like to invite you to read this Rise to 81K blueprint that I prepared for you, all for free. You don't need to pay me anything. Just click the link and it will be sent to your messenger and you can read and download from there. Okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.